Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the ratio of the picture with only by your iPhone. So let's explore in the iPhone photo library features now. So you just need to go open your photo library with this icon. I know that if you are an iPhone or iOS user, you will familiar with this icon, which is the photos library, and then you just need to click it to access the photo that you have. And now if you want to change the ratio of this picture, you need to click it until you activate several options and informations button right here, and then you just need to jump into the edit button. Whenever you're already in the edit button, you just need to go down until you found this three button, and now you just need to go click this part. To change the ratio, you just need to jump into this part. So in this upper side here, there will be like several buttons. In the left side there will be a mirror and also rotate, and the right side there will be a ratio, brush, and these three small dots to access more about the features. To do the ratio, you just need to go click it, and you just need to choose the ratio that you want to get. You just need to scrolling into the left side and find out the ratio that you want. If you want to do it 3 and 4, you just need to go click it, and it will be automatically cut to the specific ratio. And you can also do zoom the picture with pinching to your finger, and after you're done, you just need to go click done, and here you go, you already got the new ratio for your picture. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully this tutorial is really helpful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.